Hello, this video is going to walk you through signing into your library account. Borrowers from North Seattle College Library may want to sign into their library account in order to see what library items they currently have checked out, if there are any fees on their account because their item is past the borrowing period, or to look at items you have checked out in the past in case you would like to borrow something you really liked for an additional period of time. To navigate to your library account, you can start at the northseattle.edu website and click on Library in the top blue box. This takes you to the library homepage. From the homepage, you will sign in by looking to the navigation on the left side of the page titled Books, eBooks, Audio, and Video under the Find section. This takes you to our catalog. The catalog allows you to search all items available in the library, both physical, such as print books and DVDs, as well as electronic resources like databases. You are able to sign into the catalog and view your own account by clicking Sign in the top right-hand corner of the page. The sign-in information here is your school email, usually firstname.lastname@seattlecolleges.edu. And a password you have chosen yourself. If you are a returning student, you have probably already been through the process of setting up this logon to access the computers and Wi-Fi on campus, as well as your Seattle College's email and Office 365. If you are a new student or need to reset your password, which the system requires you do each quarter, you can do so at this link with your student ID and your PIN. Once you are signed in, you can look at your account by clicking on your name in the top right hand of the screen and see your library resources dashboard. This allows you to see what you currently have borrowed and if you have any fines or fees. If you have any further questions regarding your account or are having trouble signing into your account, please contact us at nscclibrary@seattlecolleges.edu and we'll be happy to help you solve any issues. Thank you, and check out the library YouTube channel for more videos on how to use library resources.